So guys, I was here at Churchgate and thought of trying this new place called as Goodricke Tea Lounge by Goodricke Tea.
Tell me more about Goodricke Tea Lounge.
So we are all-day dining tea lounge. The food which we serve is continental. We are open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m.
So what's so special about Goodricke Teas?
We have our own tea gardens in Darjeeling, Assam and Goa. The teas which we serve is natural. There are no preservatives and elements added in the tea.